So hello, one of my friends asked me how do I record my videos. I record them with Bandicam and it's it's registered, but I didn't pay for it. Like you see, my mail is one sheet, like it is not my mail, like you see. And how did I do that? I will show you how right now. Okay, um, you go in the Chrome and type this link in. I will I will put it in description. Don't worry. So go in the description and copy this link and go here. Now you click download through your browser. You will wait a couple seconds and voila. You go keep and then show in the folder. Now you go run as administrator, because if you don't do that, I will show you. You cannot do anything. So run as administrator, you go yes, and you go type anything you want. And now that's it. It is registered and you can use it. But you can download the normal Bandicam by um, on their site, the demo, and then just use this program and it will make it work. So thank you for watching and see you later.